This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. The question asks us to look at these three experiments and tell us which soil is the most permeable. So the hypothesis is that the more porous a soil is, the more permeable the soil. But we also want to look at what's happening in the experiments. So in experiment 1, we have sand, and it's very porous. And we see that the water passes quickly through the sand and is dispersed without. After 10 minutes, it's already to the bottom. So sand is probably going to be our answer. Limestone is our second choice in our experiment 2. And it's a little bit weird since in the limestone, it takes 30 minutes for some of the water to go all the way to the bottom of the jar, but there's still some water on top. So it's not the most permeable. Experiment 3 with the clay that's non-porous, the water stays on top of the soil, and then by the end of an hour, the soil has started to become moist, but the water still hasn't passed through. So that's definitely not the most permeable. So if we look at our choices, sand is going to be our most permeable, as we would have thought just from the hypothesis. Limestone and clay don't cut it, and they're definitely not equally permeable. So choice 1's our answer.